Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison between two top-rated dash cams that will revolutionize your driving experience.
Get ready, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of dash cams. Picture this: you're driving down the road and suddenly a UFO lands in front of you. You whip out your dash cam, but oh no, it's blurry.
Fear not, because the Vantrue N4 comes to the rescue with its 4K front camera and 1080p rear and interior cameras. It captures crystal clear footage, ensuring you never miss a single detail, even if aliens decide to visit. Have you ever driven through the dark, mysterious streets at night, wondering if Bigfoot is lurking in the shadows? Well, fear not, because both of these dash cams come equipped with night vision capabilities.
The Vantrue N4 features infrared night vision technology, making it perfect for rideshare drivers like Uber and Lyft.
It can even capture clear footage of your passengers when the cabin is pitch black.
So even if you're driving Count Dracula himself, you'll have the evidence.
And let's not forget about the 70mai M300, which uses 3D noise reduction and WDR technology to balance exposure levels even in low-light conditions. So whether you're driving through a tunnel or chasing ghosts, the M300 will capture every spine-chilling moment. Picture this: you park your car on a busy street, and suddenly a reckless driver sideswipes your precious vehicle. Well, fear not, because both of these dash cams have a parking mode feature. The Vantrue N4 offers a 24-hour parking mode with low bitrate recording to maximize storage.
It even has motion and collision detection, so it will automatically start recording if someone bumps into your car or tries to steal it. Talk about having a guardian angel for your vehicle.
On the other side, the 70mai M300 also has a parking monitoring feature when used with the 70mai hardwire kit sold separately. It will capture any potential incidents around your car and even notify you through a voice alert. So say goodbye to parking nightmares and hello to peace of mind.
Now let's talk about convenience. We all want a dash cam that's easy to install and use, right? The Vantrue N4 comes with an extendable 18-month warranty, customer support within 24 hours, and a 100% satisfaction guarantee.
It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to your dash cam needs.
Plus, it supports up to 512 gigabytes of external memory, so you'll never run out of storage space.
And the 70mai M300? Well, it's no slouch either.
With its time-lapse recording feature, you can compress hours of surveillance footage into minutes.
So even if you're parked for a long time, you can quickly catch any crucial events without sitting through hours of footage.
It's like having a fast-forward button for your dash cam. The Vantrue N4 and the 70mai M300 are both fantastic dash cams, each with its own unique features. Whether you're looking for superior video quality, night vision capabilities, parking mode, or ease of use, both of these dash cams have got you covered.
If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart.
And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.